how to use Personal Vault in OneDrive. So guys, dumping sensitive documents like legal contracts, tax records, or identity scans into your standard cloud folders leaves them exposed if your device is ever lost, stolen, or left unlocked. Standard folders remain accessible as long as your main account session is open. So OneDrive's Personal Vault solves this by establishing a tightly locked, identity-verified storage container inside your cloud drive. So we'll just show you how to open it up, set it up, and use it. So firstly, let's fire up the Vault security protocol for the first time. So just open up your native OneDrive folder window on your desktop. You can just do it from here. Double click. So guys, where your Vault will reside is going to be either inside of your OneDrive, as you can see, personal folder on your Windows, so in your Windows Explorer, or also if you navigate and open up OneDrive in your web browser, you will have a folder here. It's going to have a lock icon next to it. Like as you can see, I have Word, Excel, this is what PowerPoint, I guess. You'll have a lock on the entire icon. You can just open it up easily like any folder or file. And for that, you will need to choose a verification method, like Windows Hello Biometrics or your phone's fingerprint reader, or also Authenticator will also work. And then, of course, you need to decrypt the Vault and mount it like a normal secure drive layer. And also to manually lock it, you can right-click anywhere inside the Vault and click Lock Personal Vault. And then your files will be safely locked behind a BitLocker encryption rules, completely invisible to anyone using your main computer interface. So that is it. If you enjoy our videos, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.